Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna tell you about interesting problem with coffee machines Melitta. This problem when you can't put your brew unit to its place and fix it. This problem can appear with all coffee machines of the Melitta. This is about CI, Solo, Passion, Barista, all other coffee machines of this brand, or even coffee machines by Nivona. So let's start. Here we can see the brew unit. We must put it on its place. We try, but we can't. It don't fixed, and you cannot move your handle to the vertical position. What is fixing this brew unit? What we must see. Let's look here, and we can see the ring with horns. This ring must be in position where the horns is vertical. When you see these horns here, or even here, this is tells us what there is a problem. And when we on our coffee machine, this horn will move and destroy our drainage valve. Now I can unscrew the screws and show you how it looks inside. Here we can see this picture. So when we start our coffee machine, this ring is moving anti-clockwise when clockwise, and when its ring in this position, it moves drainage wire down and down, and at the end this horns turn this plastic part and destroy it, or even destroyed with drainage valve rails. This is bad and very costful in repair. So what we can do? We must take out all this part with drainage valve and put this ring in its starts position by moving coffee motor's gears in its original start position. So here I can see partly disassembled coffee machines. It's here to watch the difference with correctly working coffee machine and this one. Now I show you how this ring must be placed. Here we can see this ring with fronts, which is pointing to here. This is correct. This will work nicely, and we can put our brew unit and it will be fixed. Here you can see, and here I click and our handle is vertical. This is correct. So let's disassemble these coffee machines and look how it must be in GS motor box. This cover is fixed on 3 parts. So unclick all 3 and take this out. And we can see this ring was commands motor how to move it by pressing micro switches. On this coffee machine it set correctly, but on another one where is a problem, this ring will be turned clockwise about, I think, 90 degrees. So when you take problem with don't fixed brew unit, you open your coffee machine and must turn all this system to this position. Then it will work. How we can do it? Now we need to take out this ring. I take this screwdriver and slowly put it to the front. Now I can move to my table. When we can see a 3 screws torques 10 here, here and here. After unscrewing these screws, we can see our motor, it will be here, and gears, what we must turn to our position. I recommend to put some pieces to the down of this coffee machine, what can help us don't lose any parts of motor and gears, maybe even screwdriver, so it will be on some angle and all parts will be on its place when we take out this cover. And I recommended to take out these micro switches one by one by pressing these parts. After that, I unscrew these 2 screws. After that, by turning it up and down and left and right, we can move this part out. Don't lose any balls metallic, what will be here and here. I see one and another one is somewhere here. I will find it and of course put it on its place. After we can turn these gears, what we must here my second ball is on this second part of box. Now we can easily turn these gears to the position what we needed. In my case it's placed correctly, but in your it must be like mine does. Okay? And after that, don't forget to turn this ring with front, what it will be placed on these gears. Now we can assemble our coffee maker and it will work correctly. We can put our brew unit on its place and it will be fixed. So try it. Of course, from first attempt I don't place my ring correctly, so I must unscrew this part out and try to put this brew unit on its place. So if you can, you do great job. But from first attempt already I put it done correctly. So it take from me an hour, 1 or 2 minutes to take this out and turn it anti-clockwise on some angle. So let's try to put our brew unit to its hole and try. Don't we broke some part of hole. And here it fixed, and great job. If you do so, you correctly turn gears of the motor. Now take micro switch to its places and assemble this part here, and assemble all your coffee maker to its normal condition and use it and drink a nice cup of coffee. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.